And welcome to Real Estate Coffee Chats with Aisha, and thanks for tuning in. I am Aisha Webb, a real estate agent with Trend Atlanta Realty in Atlanta, Georgia. Summer is here and you might be considering tackling some projects around the house. Today I'm sharing with you the top 4 home renovations for maximum return on investment so you can invest where you'll get the biggest bang for your buck. What might be surprising is that the average home improvement project does not tend to have a 100% return on initial investment. So you might be thinking, why would I even remodel, right? The reasons range from adding to the enjoyment you'll get from having that brand new kitchen to staying in line with the other homes in the area who are investing in these upgrades. However, if you're looking for a project with a 100% ROI, then these are the top 4. Now, before we begin, if you know someone who is thinking of selling or renovating their home in the near future, go ahead and tag them in the comments or share this video to your page so they can get this information as well. I hope everyone has their coffee in hand because it's time to get started. Upgraded landscaping. You were probably thinking I was going to say kitchen or bath, right? Surprisingly, landscaping is a top runner for maximum return on investment. Your curb appeal is your first impression, so it makes sense that landscaping will have a good return. If your yard is one area where your home is lacking, adding some color and cleaning things up can make a big difference. So consider incorporating some flowering shrubs, some large planters with bright flowers, some fresh mulch, and maybe even a new flagstone walkway to really spruce things up. New roof. I know this one doesn't sound like a lot of fun, but it's a big deal when it comes to selling your home. If you're seeing water leaks in your roof, put this in the #1 spot before you do anything else. Plus, the ROI on a new roof is over 100%. So how do you know if you need a new roof? Here's a few signs. If you notice there's shingles missing or they're curling up, if you can see the sun shining through your attic, or you see stains on the ceilings and walls, then it's probably time for a new roof. Hardwood floors. Hardwood floors are probably the one feature that will always be a good investment. The trending style of hardwood floors may change over time, but they're always going to trump any other style of flooring when it comes to holding their value. You know that feeling when you find out there are hardwood floors underneath old outdated carpets? It feels like you hit the jackpot. Hardwood floors are timeless, so refinishing them is a no-brainer. If you don't have them, they're also going to be worth that initial investment down the road. Patio or deck. I already mentioned that landscaping is the #1 project for ROI, so it makes sense that a patio or a deck addition is really going to up your backyard game. Now you'll have a place to sit and enjoy that landscaping work that you did. To give you some examples, the average cost of a patio is $6,400 and the average return is 102%. And for a deck, the average cost is $9,450 with a 106% average return. So there you have it, the top home renovations for a maximum return on investment. Go ahead and comment below with the project that you want to tackle this summer, and make sure to follow my Facebook and Instagram pages for more on real estate, home decor trends, local info, and so much more. I am at Aisha Webb Real Estate on both of those platforms. I want to thank you for tuning into this week's Real Estate Coffee Chats with Aisha. I will see you next Thursday with another great topic, and until then, have an awesome week.